Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is the parallel circuit. Multiple paths, same voltage across each, currents add. By the end of this video you'll know why your house is wired this way and not in series. In a parallel circuit, components are connected on separate branches between the same 2 points. Each provides a path from one battery terminal to the other. 3 rules. 1 voltage is the same across every parallel branch. 2, currents in each branch add to give the total. 3, the total resistance is lower than any single branch. Counterintuitive, but true. 3 things. 1, total resistance via 1 over R equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. 2, if one branch breaks, the others still work. 3, your house is wired in parallel. Switching off the kitchen lights doesn't kill the rest of the house. Common slip using the series rule for parallel circuits. Always check, are the components on separate branches with the same voltage? That's parallel. One loop with the same current? That's series. Quick example. 2 6-ohm resistors in parallel. 1 over R equals 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 equals 2 over 6. So R total equals 3 ohms. Lower than either resistor on its own. With a 12-volt battery, the total current, 12 divided by 3, equals 4 amps. 2 amps through each branch. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks available across biology, physics, chemistry and maths. One for every higher topic subject, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.